Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Savings to earn passive income. So I just log into my account. Now I will be just move in home icon, which is top left corner bottom, and just tap on this more icon which is in dashboard, and just tap to simple earn. And inside the simple earn, so here you will see there you can just hold it in some coins or USDT or your national currency. So I will if I tap on this USDT, and because its max rate is 14.56% annual, so when I deposit in some like $1,000, and it will be annually give me 14.56% without any trading, or because you will unlock some passive income in Binance. And you will see they will give me a daily real-time reward of 9.56%, and daily bonus tied rewards it will be give 5%, and real-time annual percent rate is subject to change every minute, and rewards are accrued and directly accumulated. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.